now come to question number 16, exercise 2, quiz 2, ellipse. The length of lattice rectum of the ellipse to be square upon a direct formula, length of lattice rectum. Just we have to find that what is the A, what is B. So x square upon 1 upon 9, 3 square, plus y square upon 1 upon 2, whole square is equal to 1. So in this case, 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 3 is less than 1 upon 2. This is 0.33, this is 0.5. So A square will be 1 plus 2A square upon B. E square, that lattice rectum only we have to calculate. So lattice rectum is equal to 2A square upon B. This is a vertical ellipse. So that is why I am taking 2. A is the semi-axis, B is the major axis. Semi-major axis. So 2A square upon B. So put the value 2A square x square upon A square, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 9, into 1 upon B. So 1 upon 2. So this is 1 upon 2, so it will become 2. So 4 upon 9. So that will be the answer of that lattice rectum of the ellipse.